Hi, Dyslexic Genius here. What we're going to talk about is the spring barrels on the Victor 3, and you never know what you're going to get into building new nipples on the spring barrel here. Had to put one in here, had to put one into the shaft here. But what I want to talk about is you have the spring in. This is the new spring. The old one's over there. You see it waiting, Professor? And I talk about this. What you want to do is take the center of the spring and you want to bend it in a little so it's still round. And why do you do that? Because you have this arbor right here, and you're going to have this plate that's going to fit on like that. Now this arbor, this piece here, the little nipple that hooks into the center of the spring. So when you take this and come in like this, you have to lock that spring in, and you want this piece here to be tight in here. So what you do is you, on a 3, you add a little bit of sewing machine oil right there. You drop the plate in, and then what you do is we have the nipple and we have that slot. I'm going to put this in like that. I'm going to turn it around 160 degrees. Now what you're going to do is you're going to come in like that. You hear that click? Now it's hooked in. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take it out of the vise, because when you have it in the vise, it kind of compresses the spring barrel a little. And then you're going to come over here and you're going to line up the plate like so. And then you'll come in with a punch. And now we've set the spring barrel together. Check this. It's still hooked up. Now all you do is you take the new arbor and you will slide this in the same way, like that. Lock this piece in. Before you put this in, you want to put a little STP on each corner.
And then when do you put that other plate on?
Put the other plate on, just a second. I get ahead of myself sometimes. What we're going to do, a little STP right there. It's going to come in here like that. There we go. See how it comes through? Now you just gently grab it with a pair of needle nose pliers. And there it hooked. And you'll just take the end plate, put that on like that. Then you'll come around. And you will put the pin in like that. And this will slide down like that.
Now that was the pin that you made as well?
Yep, that was a pin I made as well. And that's all there is to assembling.
Now do you have to tap that plate in place?
Yeah, I have to tap this in, which is There we go. We're ready to rock. And that's how you do a spring barrel on a Victor 3. You'll wipe everything down too. And that's my tip for the day.